I don't know what happened, but our connection went off. So I'm going to not start again, but we already talked about the Thieves cleaner and how amazing that is and how it doesn't have harmful chemicals in it, but also helps your immune system. And we talked about the foam soap and how I dilute it, but you don't have to. And it actually doesn't dry my hands out. It doesn't have the harmful chemicals in it that are causing respiratory issues, that are causing any other issues that other chemicals, especially the word fragrance, you want to watch out for. But I love that it has the cinnamon, the lemon, the rosemary. It's amazing. And what else it comes with the kit is the Thieves mouthwash. Now, this is hot and spicy. But it works amazing for dental hygiene. And so what I do is I just put a little bit and then I swish it in my mouth. Some of my friends like to dilute this in half and then fill the rest with water and swish it around. But it's good for any kind of mouth care. Because of the FDA, we have to be careful how we say things. So it's good for your mouth. You can gargle it for your throat. If you're starting to feel like a sore throat, you can gargle with this. My friend's a teacher and she says it helps her so much with her vocal cords, but also to keep her immune system up. So the mouthwashes that are on the market, if you start researching, the ingredients in there could be very harmful. Plus on top of that, they'll have fragrances in it that are not good for you. So that comes in the kit. That is this kit, this Thieves starter kit is over $200 and you can get it for $125. Now for anyone who's a member, it's even cheaper. You can sign up your spouse or significant other if you have not done so, or any of your children that are 16 and older. You can buy this Thieves starter kit for $125. But then Young Living is going to give you back $50, which makes the whole entire Thieves kit for $75. You pretty much buy this for what, $22, $23? So you buy 2 of these and then you get maybe a mouthwash for the price of getting this whole entire Thieves cleaning kit. I'm super excited about this deal. Okay, then in the Thieves kit, you get 2 of these Thieves spray, which we're definitely needing right now. I like to put it in my purse. I spray the hand carts. I spray my hands. I spray my steering wheel. I spray my purse. What else do I spray? I just use this as a Thieves cleaner. It's a little bit more concentrated than the Thieves cleaner, but this is called a Thieves spray. I'll take them when I travel. You can spray in the airplane. You can spray on in hotel rooms, and I spray on the mattresses. So I love this because this is a go-to that you can take everywhere you go. You can spray the toilets. You guys can share with me how you guys use that. So you get 2 of those in the Thieves kit, the new Thieves kit that they just announced yesterday. And the most wanted product right now, the Thieves hand sanitizer. I love how it smells, and I actually love how it glides. My husband doesn't use it very often. He put it on the other day. He's like, wow, this is amazing. I'm like, yeah. And he goes, it smells good too. So it smells like peppermint, but it also has the Thieves in it. A lot of the hand sanitizers that are on the market right now have a word called fragrance. They do not have to tell us what's in that fragrance, what chemicals that are causing harm to our bodies. So fragrance is the number one thing you don't want in your products. This doesn't have this. This has the natural fragrance of the Thieves essential oil, the peppermint. It smells so good. And I don't have to worry if my kids lick their hands or touch their face. You don't have to call the poison control center for this hand sanitizer. But I like to keep this in my purse. So when I go into a store, then I put this on immediately. And I actually use the Thieves spray on my hands before I go into the store. And this stuff will help really take care of those germs. Just like the hand sanitizers on the market, it kills 99.9% of whatever germs. We can say that now because it has hand sanitizer on it and it's been proven. So that's another thing. All my friends who use the regular hand sanitizers, it dries your hands out. And this one doesn't. But on top of this, it's giving your body immune system because you're putting the Thieves essential oil on your hands. So you're building your immune system right there with your hands. Then the last 2 things that you get 1 of these is the Thieves toothpaste, and it has no fluoride in it, no synthetic dyes, it has no artificial flavors, and no preservatives. So this is safe for you. Most of the toothpaste I've ever read, it says if you ingest it, swallow it, please call poison control center. Well, that kind of makes no sense. Like we're putting stuff in our mouth, which our body's already digesting in our mouth. So I don't want that stuff. So this one is safe. Plus it is I love how just I don't know, it makes my teeth feel so clean because of the baking soda that's in it. And this does not foam because it doesn't have that chemical SLS, which we don't want anyways. It took a little while to get adjusted to it, but I'm so grateful we swapped this out as well. So we've swapped out our hand sanitizers. I used to use all of, what is it, Yankee Candle? No, Bath and Body Works. That used to be my favorite store. I used to buy all the Bath and Body Works stuff. I used to use, oh gosh, I can't remember what stuff I used to use in place of Thieves. And my toothpaste. And then the last thing is the famous Thieves essential oil. You get a big bottle, which is about 240 drops in there. I love this. My kids typically put it on their feet, or I dilute it and put a little roller top on it, and they like to roll it on their wrists. I also like to put in my diffuser, but this kit does not come with a diffuser, but I like to diffuse it through the air. I actually, in my cleaner, my vacuum, I'll put a drop in my little vacuum bag so it smells the house up with Thieves, and sometimes I do that with purification. I know that we have two different kinds of oils, even though they're the same, but this is the Thieves where you use it topically and to smell. And there's also a Vitality Thieves, which I love to make Thieves tea with it when I feel like my throat is hurting, or it's good for your whole mouth, but we've got our toothpaste and our mouthwash for that. So with this Thieves has really been a game changer for me, and I'm just so grateful that all these years I have been using this product. Our health has increased, and I just feel safer now, and I love knowing that I can trust a company that has integrity, that processes the essentials oils correctly so that it's safe for us. So this is a great deal. I would definitely get your spouses on board to sign them up so you can get this whole thing for $75 because Young Living gives you a $50 check. Now, anyone on my team, hi April and Shar, this is so fun to see you guys. Okay, anybody on my team who shares with someone, it could be a spouse, it could be a child, it could be a friend, with the Thieves kit, whenever, till the end of the month, you get one of these Thieves booklets. I love this booklet. I think because I really believe in this product, and I know that by me switching things out in my home, this is what started helping my immune system. I had a lot of health problems with my emotions, but also my endocrine system, and I didn't have a lot of energy, and so I needed that, and it helped with all my hormones getting back to normal again. So everyone gets one of these if they share with someone on our team. And remember, Young Living gives you a $50 thank you check. So that is it. If you have any questions or if you've used this product, please post below in the comment, and I'll put this video on a link so you can share it with your friends. Have a great day.